18pr minus 1 is to 17pr minus 1 equals to 9 is to 7. Find the value of r. Okay. See first, a is to b means what? A is to b means a by b. See, this is how the form a is to b. So a is to b means a by b. So write what is given right first. So 18p r minus 1 equals to 17p r minus 1 equals to 9 is to 7. So this is how the form a is to b. This is how the form a is to b. So a is to b is nothing but a by b. So 18p r minus 1 by 17p r minus 1 equals to 9 by 7. Okay. Now, what is the NPR formula? NPR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay. So this is how the form NPR. So the formula is n factorial, that means 8 factorial by 8 minus 18 factorial by NPR, n factorial by n minus r factorial. N minus r factorial divided by, this is also NPR, n 17 factorial by n minus r factorial, 17 minus r minus 1 factorial equals to 9 by 7. 9 by 7. Now see, 18 factorial by 18 minus r plus 1 factorial by 17 factorial divided by 17 minus r minus is plus 1 factorial equals to 9 by 7. Okay. Now that equals to 18 factorial by, see 18 plus 1 19. 18 plus 1 is 19 minus r factorial divided by 17 factorial by 17 plus 1 is 18. 18 minus r factorial equals to 9 by 7. Okay. See, a by b by c by d means a by b. So multiply with reciprocal of c by d, that is d by c. Okay. This is how the form a by b by c by d. So first a by b, that is 18 factorial by 19 minus r factorial multiply with, so this is c by d reciprocal. So 18 minus r factorial divided by 17 factorial equals to 9 by 7. Okay. 18 factorial can be written as 18 into 17 factorial. 18 into 17 factorial. So 19 minus r factorial can be written as 19 minus r into 18 minus r factorial. So n into n minus 1 factorial. The formula is n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 factorial. చూడండి 19 minus r factorial can be written as 19 minus r minus 1. So 19 minus 1 ఎంత అవుతుంది? 18 అవుతుంది. So 18 minus r factorial. Okay. Into 18 minus r factorial divided by 17 factorial equals to 9 by 7. Now 18 minus r factorial get cancelled. 17 factorial get cancelled. So still 18 by 19 minus r equals to 9 by 7. Okay, 9 by 7. Now do cross multiplication. So 18 into 7 equals to 9 into 19 minus r. Now see 9 two times. 2 7 times, that is 14 equals to 19 minus r. Okay. Now minus r transpose to right side, positive r. So r equals to 14 transpose to right side. So here already 19 is there. 19 minus 14. So 19 minus 14 is 5. Therefore the value of r is 5. Find the value of n such that np7 equals to 42, NP5. Okay. NP7 equals to 42 NP5 అయితే n value ఎంత find out చేయాలి. So observe that here one formula is there, NPR. What is the NPR formula? N factorial by n minus r factorial. Okay. Now first write given. What is given? NP7. NP7 equals to 42 NP5. Okay. NP7. Okay. It is in the form of NPR. So n factorial by n minus 7 factorial. N factorial by n minus r factorial. So n minus 7 factorial equals to 42 into NP5. N factorial by n minus 5 factorial. Okay. Observe that here n factorial get cancelled one time. So 1 by n minus 7 factorial equals to 42 into 1 by n minus 5 factorial. Now n minus 5 factorial transpose to right side or left side. 1 into n minus 5 factorial divided by n minus 7 factorial equals to 42 into 1, 42. So n minus 5 factorial, already I said the formula previously, n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So this is of the form n factorial. So this one can be written as n minus 5 into, so next number less than one number, n minus 5 minus 1 is n minus 6. Next less than one number, n minus 6 minus 1. So n minus 7 factorial divided by n minus 7 factorial equals to 42. Now here n minus 7 factorial, n minus 7 factorial get cancelled. Still ఇంకేముంది ఇక్కడ న్యూమరేటర్ లో n minus 5 into n minus 6 equals to 42. Okay, so multiply n minus 5 into n minus 6. First n into n into 6. N into n how much? N into n is n square. N into minus 6 is minus 6n. Next minus 5n, minus into minus 5, minus 6. So minus 5 times of n is minus 5n. Minus of minus is plus, 5 6 are 30 equals to 42. Okay. Now n square minus 6n minus 5n minus 11n plus 30, 42 transpose to left side, minus 42 equals to 0. So n square minus 11n, 30 minus 42 minus 12 equals to 0. Observe that this is the quadratic equation split into two parts. Middle term split into two parts. So how to split? N square minus 11n can be written as minus 12n plus n. Minus 12n plus n. Here what is there still? Minus 12 equals to 0. From these two terms, n is the common term. N is the common term. Still what is there? Here n is there. N is the common term. So minus 12. Plus in these two, 1 is the common term. So n minus 12 equals to 0. See now, here n minus 12 is the common term from these two terms. N minus 12 take common, తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది ఇంకా n plus 1 equals to 0. So n minus 12 equals to 0. In the second case, n plus 1 equals to 0. So n minus 12 transpose to right side, 0 plus 12 is nothing but 12. 1 transpose to right side, minus 1. So n equal to minus 1 is not possible because n must be a positive number, positive real natural number. So therefore n equals to how much? 12. Therefore the value of n is 12. If 5 into 4pr equals to 6 into 5pr minus 1. Okay, r value find out cheyali. See the solution. 5 into 4pr equals to 6 into 5p r minus 1. Okay, first, what is the formula of npr? npr equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial. So that equals to 5 into, this is the form npr, n factorial by n minus r factorial equals to 6 into, this is also npr, n factorial by n minus r factorial. That equals to 5 into 4 factorial by 4 minus r factorial equals to 6 into 5 factorial by 5 minus r minus of minus plus 1 factorial. That equals to 5 into 4 factorial by 4 minus r factorial equals to 6 into 5 factorial by 5 plus 1 is 6 minus r factorial. Now see, n factorial equals to n into n minus 1 factorial. Also it can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial also. So here 5 into 4 factorial by 4 minus r factorial, right, as in the left hand side. In the right hand side 6 into 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial divided by, see, this is our form n factorial. So n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial. So this is n factorial. So n into n minus 1, 6 minus r minus 1. So 5 minus r. Again 5 minus r minus 1, 4 minus r factorial. So now 4 minus r factorial get cancelled. 5 one time cancel. 4 factorial one time cancel. So finally 1 equals to 6 by 6 minus r into 5 minus r. Okay, that equals to 1 equals to 6 by, see, 6 times of 5, 30. 6 times of minus r, minus 6 r. Minus r times of 5, minus 5 r. Minus of minus plus r into r is r square. Okay, that equals to 1 equals to 6 by, okay, r is right in a proper order, r square minus 6 r minus 5 r minus 11 r plus 30. Okay, that equals to, this terms transposed to left side, 1 into something, 1 into r square minus 11 r plus 30. So that equals to, so r square minus 11 r plus 30 equals to 6. So r square minus 11 r plus 30, 6 transpose to left side minus 6 equals to 0. So r square minus 11 r, 30 minus 6 is 24 equals to 0. So r square, so it's 24. So how to write 11 r? Minus 8 r minus 3 r. Okay, minus 8 r minus 3 r is minus 11 r. 8 3s are 24. Okay, plus 24 equals to 0. From these two terms, r is the common term. So r minus 8. From these two, minus 3 is the common. R minus 8 equals to 0. See here, r minus 8 is the common term. So r minus 8 is the common. తీసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది, ఇంకా r ఉంది, ఇక్కడ minus 3 ఉంది, equals to 0. Okay, see, a into b equals to 0 means what? A into b equals to 0 means either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. So this is how the form a types of b equals to 0. Then r minus 8 equals to 0 and r minus not and r minus 3 equals to 0. So r equals to minus 8 transpose right side positive 8. Minus 8 transpose right side positive 3. So that is 3. Okay. Here we got two values. R equal to 8 వచ్చింది, r equal to 3 వచ్చింది. మరి ఏ వాల్యూ తీసుకోవాలి? ఒక విషయం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. NPR ఫార్ములాలో n అనేది r అనేది either okay r అనేది ఎలా ఉండాలి either r equals to n అయి ఉండాలి లేదంటే n greater than r అయి ఉండాలి ఓకే n అనేది పెద్ద నెంబర్ అయి ఉండాలి ఇప్పుడు చూడండి 4pr ఓకే 4pr ఇప్పుడు 4pr లో r వాల్యూ 8 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి 4p8 వచ్చేసింది చూడండి is it true ఇది కరెక్ట్ అవుతుందా అవ్వదు సో the value of n okay otherwise r must be less than 4 in 4pr r must be less than or equals to అయితే less than ఉండాలి లేదంటే ఈక్వల్ గా ఉండాలి less than or equals to 4 but here r is 8 okay so in NPR r must be less than or equal to 4 therefore అదే 3 చూడండి 4p3 yes is it correct yes correct therefore r equals to 3 so r equals to 8 not possible find n if n minus 1 p3 is to n p4 equals to 1 is to 9 we know that a is to b equals to a by b so see the solution n minus 1 p3 is to n p4 equals to 1 is to 9 this is given so n minus 1 p3 n minus 1 p3 is to is nothing but by a is to b means a by b so n p4 equals to 1 by 9 okay npr what is the npr formula npr equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial so this is also the form npr formula n factorial by n minus r factorial by this is also npr n factorial by n minus r factorial equals to 1 by 9 okay now n minus 1 factorial by n minus 1 minus 3 so n minus 1 minus 3 is how much n minus 4 factorial divided by n factorial by n minus 4 factorial equals to 1 by 9 observe that here n minus 4 factorial n minus 4 factorial cancel okay so here still some more steps are there so n minus 1 factorial by n factorial equals to 1 by 9 okay we know that n factorial formula ఏంటి n factorial one more formula n into n minus 1 factorial okay now n minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial equals to 1 by 9 okay n minus 1 factorial in n minus 1 factorial one time so 1 by n equals to 1 by 9 take reciprocals 1 by n equal to 1 by 9 అయితే ఏమవుతుంది n equals to 9 therefore the value of n is 9 if nc9 equals to nc8 then find the value of nc17 see solution nc9 it is given that nc9 equals to nc8 nc9 equals to nc8 so we know that ncr equals to ncs ncr equals to ncs then n equals to r plus s so here nc9 equals to nc8 then what is the value of n 9 plus 8 so r plus s so 9 plus 8 is 17 now we will find nc17 so nc17 that equals to n value how much 17c okay since ncn value 1 so 17c value how much also 1 See the proof once. See 17 C 17. Actually NCR formula n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So n factorial by n minus, here n is 17, r also 17. n minus r factorial into r factorial. That equals to 17 factorial by 17 minus 17 is 0 factorial into 17 factorial. 17 factorial one time, 1 by 0 factorial value 1 also. So నా వీడియోలో ఉంటుంది 0 factorial 1 equals to 1 ఎలా అవుతుందో ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి. 0 factorial value 1. So 1 by 1 value now 1. So 17 value 1. So similarly NCN value also 1. So NC17 equals to 17 C17, that's value 1.